welcome to our Glazed Virtual Summer Camp. This class we'll be learning how to make a stained glass watercolor painting. I'm your teacher, Miss Laura. Let's have a look at what comes in your kit. First, you're going to find your doodle challenge. You're going to find a large piece of paper, a bottle of black glue, a couple of paintbrushes, and a watercolor set. Don't forget to also grab a jar of water and a paper towel for cleaning off your brushes. First, let's start with our doodle challenge. Today's challenge is a line challenge. We are going to challenge you to make different types of lines, and then we're going to put them all together to create a cool textured drawing. Have fun filling up each square with the different types of lines. Now you're going to take all the different lines you learned and turn them into a fun drawing. I'm going to start with my squiggles. What can you create with the types of lines you learned to draw today? Get creative. Alright guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool stained glass effect by using watercolor paints and this mixture of glue and black acrylic paint. Now, be careful. The glue is totally non-toxic and safe, but the black acrylic paint that's mixing can stain your clothes. So I recommend covering the surface that you're painting on and wearing either an apron or clothes that you don't mind staining. Now we're going to begin by thinking of a shape. It can be a simple shape, something that you really enjoy drawing, and we're going to sketch it out in the center of our paper. You can do something as simple as a heart, a star. I'm going to do a cactus and a potted plant. I'm just going to draw some simple shapes, starting with a rectangle, and then trapezoid. Now this is just a sketch, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to add my cactus shape. This is just going to be kind of a general pattern that we're going to follow. Next, you're going to take out your glue and give it a really good shake, okay? And you're going to follow the lines that you drew with your glue, creating an outline. Now, you want it to come out thick. I like to start from the left down, since I'm right-handed, so I don't stick my hand in the glue. And you're just going to outline that drawing, letting that paint stay nice and thick. Don't worry about being perfect. It's all going to come together in the end. You don't have to cover your pencil lines perfectly either. We're going to paint over them later. All right, now that you've got your shape, we're going to go inside each shape and create different lines. So I'm going to start right here with this rectangle and show you what I mean. I'm going to do a zigzag. Now I'm going to do squiggles. Next, I'm going to do lines in my cactus. Now that we've got our basic image in, we're going to fill in the background with more different zigzag shaped lines. Have fun with this part. This is what's going to create that stained glass effect, like the different panes in the window. Be careful as you're doing this not to stick your hand in the area that you've already painted. If you want to give it a little time to dry before you move on to the background, that's fine too. If it tends to get a little clogged, just use a little needle, pin, stick in there, and help unclog it. Once you've completed your whole design, you're going to leave your painting here and give it a good enough time to dry completely. This could take up to about a half hour to an hour. Now that you've given your painting time to dry, we're going to go in with our watercolors and fill in all our individual little shapes with different colors. A couple tips for using watercolors. You want to dip in to your water and add a good amount to your color. Get it really good and wet. You will notice the less water you use, the more vibrant your color will come out. And the more water you use, the less vibrant your color. I'm going to keep the focal point of this painting, being my cactus, simple, with all the same. And then I'm going to add a ton of color to my background to create balance. Once you're finished, you should have this beautiful color stained glass looking painting. Great job, guys. We hope you had fun doing this craft with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notifications so you get all of our future videos. Thanks again.